Good afternoon, everybody. Jason at MarineMax Clearwater, and today we're going to give you a tour of Boston Whaler's 420 Outrage. You can see this boat here. We have white quad 350 Verados with joystick piloting. Gorgeous paint job on this boat. It's the Abaco blue, very popular color. This boat length overall is 42.6. The 13-foot beam. Draft's only 31 inches. The boat weighs in at about 29,000 pounds soaking wet. $600 gallons of fuel on this boat, get you to where you need to go. The best part is topside, so let's jump on in. You can see in the 42 Outrage they give you a really expansive cockpit. Entertainment throughout, but excellent for fishing. Two massive live wells on each side. On our 42 Outrage here on the starboard side, we've equipped this fish box with freezer plates. Got a really nice vantage seat aft here as well. Plenty of seating, fit 4 or 5 across that seat there. Moving forward here, as you enter this cockpit, we'll go ahead and drop this seat down for you, staying in the back of the boat. You can see how easy that was. Everything's on gas-assisted hinges. Really nice coring countertops on this boat, barbecue grill, 40-gallon live well, freshwater sink, plenty of storage. Got a nice acrylic window here so you can see your bait. Refrigeration. See your micro switches here to activate your sure shade, LED lighting, things of that nature. So once you hop on forward here with us, I'll show you one of the best features in this cockpit is this seat that is just over-engineered. Everything at Boston Whaler is done with a lot of thought. So you can see here, which I believe is the only in class, you'll have 6 to 7 facing forward. Air conditioning for your guest in the second row. 3 individual captain seats facing forward. All air conditioned, climate controlled. If you look at this well-appointed Helm Station, triple 16-inch G-Series Raymarine screens. You got your Mercury vessel view, joystick piloting. Absolutely awesome. Visibility on this boat is fantastic. I'm currently standing on a really nice step to get some of your shorter captains up and above the helm. If you want to be situated a little lower, you could drop that down. When we step forward before we head into the cabin, probably most people's favorite part of the boat is sitting in the bow. So up here we have really nice U-shaped bow seating with an actuated table. This table here is teak lined, fiberglass table with teak underneath. You can push a button here and drop that table down, making for a really nice sun lounger up front. And all of this can be shaded in with a big, really big bow shade. Looking at our bow seating here, 3 forward-facing loungers, armrest for everybody. Really nice pointed cooler here. You're not running to the back of the boat for your refreshment. And then if you'll allow me to slip by here, even more storage. Currently we have all the individual covers for the boat to get all the vinyl under covers, but you can also get dive tank storage situated in here as well. And what's really neat about this is you can pull this up, get you a little closer to that bow table, giving you opposing seating with the rest of your guests on board. As you step back towards the boat, you'll see storage in both gunnels for your dock lines, things to get you situated at the marina or the resort. Now peeking down into that cabin, you can see currently we have the blue LEDs, which come standard on this 42. Really big wide steps entering this cabin. Go ahead and hit the lights for you. You can see a nice entertainment screen here, freshwater basin, storage, refrigeration, dedicated garbage storage. And the shower is phenomenal here. You have it separated with a nice private bulkhead, pointed with a rain shower, chlorine countertop. A lot of natural light into this cabin as well. The headroom on this boat I believe to be 6'10", 6'11". I'm 6'1", so it's plenty of headroom throughout. Starboard side lights, windows on both sides of the hull, and a very large, I would call it a J-shaped sofa. Your table here will drop down, giving you more laying area for when you're turning in for the night. Just a great place to have your meals and everything when the weather maybe isn't so good for topside. You have an iPad that comes with your 42 Outrage. Control many of the systems on the boat. Really cool setup. Turn on all your lights and everything else. 420 Outrage from Boston Whaler. If you guys would like to take a closer look, we'd be honored to have you into the showroom here in Clearwater. You can reach us anytime at 727-536-2628. My name's Jason, and I look forward to seeing you.